years in just 6 weeks.
Johnny Daly, the True Life Crew, Dahlia Harris, and Chris Johnny Daly. It's the True Life Crew of Afternoon Radio. The True Life Crew starring Dahlia Harris.
Correction, Tings. And when today we are talking about barrel. We talk about barrel. So we'll go for somebody who always get barrel. I don't know if I fear barrel them, you know. Or if you know, or the wrong address delivered to. But Dadrian is a barrel girl, right, Dadrian?
Me do fear barrel right now.
See that? And you can't tell barrel people, you know, barrel people. I just know through everybody I shop up on Amazon and Shein. But barrel people, them used to have on some clothes when nobody else know wear. Some shoes when nobody else not get. So from you see them, you say, wow. Wow. That girl, they always get enough barrel shop people are foreign. So we're going to talk about every Jamaican, the things that every Jamaican know, the barrel of, whether you ask them for send it or not. From barrel a pack, it's off to pack. I'm going to say the first item on this, though, is a staple, Irish Spring. Then if Irish Spring not come in a barrel, is it a barrel?
No, it is not a barrel. It is a bar. The real no reach.
No real no reach.
No real no reach.
No real,
it's only
no
a bar.
You have to be specific with it too, you know. Not any other soap, you know. We not want no Dove. You can't throw like a Dove for your sweetness. But Irish Spring specifically.
If it not smell like Irish Spring, you not touch foreign yet.
No, and it have to be the green one.
The green.
The green one, because them have a blue one, you know.
Yes.
And no,
but that smell then not so strong like the green one.
Do you see the green one? It's like camphor ball. You can leave it in the clothes.
Yeah.
Hey, Irish Spring legit coming like carbolic soap. It leave the
China
effect.
Yeah, man. I tell you.
And it's a weird thing from you use Irish Spring. People say, wait, you smell the barrel come. so the international smell of the barrel is
Irish
Spring. But you ever get a barrel with Irish Spring, we have all rice.
Wait, we soon got here. Let me tell you, so me wash some rice till me tired. Me wash rice till me tired.
Oh.
Because the soap take the rice take up the soap smell, Nelly. Allow me to tell you.
That never happened to me.
You never eat Irish oil yet? You never use Irish oil?
No, that never happened to me.
That's because look what it look like for your soap different from food.
No, different levels to the barrel.
Okay. When the level
you
different.
base the barrel. You get me I say? So you put the soap down at the base of the barrel. You get me I say? Put some clothes. When you come up now, you start pack the rice and them things.
But you can't put the oil on the top because the oil heavy, so you have to put it on the barrel bottom.
Yeah, but you go put that down at the base. You get me I say? So you go pack the soap, the oil.
Irish oil.
Oh, Irish oil?
Yeah.
You think of rice, you say?
The rice too.
We never know.
Yeah.
So the rice sunny.
Look here, when you're, I'm going to tell you something. One thing about Jamaican parents, you know, them teachers say you cannot ungrateful.
Yes, true that.
So if the rice come, all the amount of soap we in eat it a boil and eat same way. And you eat like rice, like soap. You eat it and you say, oh my God, why am I eating the soap? And if you ever make up your face, you say, oh, you're ungrateful?
Yeah.
Your auntie take her last pocket come down.
Yeah.
And when auntie call in, you have to say, oh, was it? The rice was very tasty. Tell your auntie you love the rice. Sure. All right. Toothpaste multi-pack.
Toothpaste?
True. Colgate specifically.